Today in this video, we're going to draw Hello Kitty. Let's start with a big fat circle in the middle of the paper. And draw the ear on the left side by drawing the triangle. The line should be a little curvy instead of being straight. Now let's draw the ear on the right side as well. It looks symmetrical, so that's good. Now let's draw the bow. I'm drawing a circle underneath the right ear. And now we're going up a little. And coming down. And going back to the circle. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Go up, make the corner rounded, go down, and come back to the circle. Now let's erase the overlapping area inside the bow here and the left side of the ear too. Let's draw the folds inside the bow. So draw the half circle here and another half circle here. Now we are going to draw the eyes. The pencil is about halfway in the head, so we are going to draw the eyes right below the pencil. So draw a small button eye that's slightly long and skinny, and at the same level on the right side, we are drawing the right eye. And now we are filling it in. For the nose, right below the eyes, halfway between the eyes, we are drawing a button nose, but this time it's a little short and fat. Now let's draw the dress. So coming down from the eyes, that's going to be the shoulder, so I'm marking it here. And do the same thing on the right side, so they're symmetrical. And the dress should come down about this much, so let's draw the line coming down and flaring out to the left. And we are going to go straight to the right to keep the same length. So draw the line that comes down and flare out to the right. Now let's connect these two lines with the wavy line. So starting from the left, go to the right. There we go. Now let's add the neckline. Draw the half circle here. And to make the dress cuter, let's add 2 buttons on the chest. So draw a nice small circle on the left and the right. Now let's draw the legs. She has a very short and chunky legs, so her feet come about here. For the center line, it comes straight down from the nose, so draw a line here. And the left leg comes straight down from the shoulder. Same thing over here. The right leg comes straight down from the right shoulder. Now, let's connect those lines. Now, let's draw the arms, starting with the left arm. So, a little left from the shoulder, draw the arm, it comes down, sticks out for the thumb, and goes around for the rest of the hand. Her right arm is up and waving, so starting from the shoulder, it goes up, has a little bump for the thumb, and goes around and back down. Let's erase the practice lines and overlapping area. Now let's draw the whiskers. We are going to draw the 3 lines here. The first one goes slightly up, the second one goes straight, and the third one goes down slightly. And let's do the same thing on the left side. Now all the pencil sketches are done, so let's draw the permanent outlines with the black marker. I'm going to fast forward from this point. Now your Hello Kitty drawing is done. Feel free to color your Hello Kitty with any color you like, or you can follow the way I did. Wow, the Hello Kitty came out super sparkly and cute. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other drawing tutorials. Thank you again. Bye!